I made cute heart-shaped cakesicles for the first time, and if you want to know how I made them, please keep on watching. I started off by melting some chocolate wafers in a bowl and coating the molds with a butter knife. When the molds were filled, I placed them in the fridge for about 10 minutes just so they could harden up. I mixed some strawberry jam with the leftover vanilla cupcake, and I created a filling for inside of my heart-shaped cake bars. I filled them, leaving some space at the top, and placed them in the fridge. I used a butter knife again, and then I kind of thought it took a long time, so I quickly switched to a palette knife, and I just scraped it all over. Since I placed them in the fridge, the cake was pretty cold, so the chocolate hardened up pretty quick, and I went over it with a little more chocolate just for stability. I scraped off all the excess outside with another palette knife, and I was able to remove them out of the molds pretty smoothly and perfectly. Once I removed them from the molds, I melted some more white chocolate and I painted on some texture with a palette knife. Once that was done, I added some gold sprinkles and some black nonpareils as well, just for a cute little added effect. I finally painted on some gold leaf, and I thought these turned out super cute and they were so delicious. If you like this content, please subscribe for more.